Hello, and welcome to Derek McGuire's Week 10 Coding Assignment video. This week, we updated our menu-driven application for the project's database. We added two more options, list projects and select a project. This included going into the switch statement and adding a few more cases and also adding a few more methods, which we defined and then updated our project DAO class as well. And in doing so, we created methods that use try with resources to obtain connections and create prepared statements that used SQL queries in a parameterized query in order to prevent SQL injection attacks and also get our results back to the user in the console. So we updated projects app class, we updated project service class, and we updated the project DAO class. Created project objects called optional. We created result sets and added catch blocks to handle exceptions and throw exceptions so that the user would see what's going on and also be able to continue to use their menu. So here we go. I am going to run the program here. Select list projects. So as we can see, this works. I used selected a list of projects from the menu, and I've got 6 projects here in alphabetical order by name. And as you can see here, the fetch all projects method, the query embedded in there orders by project name. So it goes down in alphabetical order there. And I can continue to operate in this menu here. I am not working with the current project, so I'm going to go ahead and select a project, number 3, and it gives me the menu again. I'm going to choose project 1, hang a door, and now I am working with this project, which the details are shown to me here. And in these details, update from last week was to this week includes adding materials, steps, and categories. I've got materials, the door in frame, package of door hangers from Home Depot, 2-inch screws, and I've got the steps. I've got the categories as well. Project categories table was updated there. And this was actually done in DBeaver using insert statements. And in playing around with this, I used some updates and deletes to modify the data and how it was displayed. I added rows into the material table, the step table, and the project category table. So that's how data got into the database so that the menu, when selected, would yield and display these results. So I am still in the program here, the menu, and I can continue to choose options. I'm going to choose 3 again, and this time I'm going to choose project ID 2, and this is hang drywall. So I've got the sheetrock from Home Depot, drywall spackle, drywall screws. There's steps here, and this I put it under category repair. So as you can see here also, just something I want to mention, the materials ID, because there's already another project that filled out some materials, these IDs are higher in number, and as the materials fill up, they each have their own unique ID, and so this also just shows how the tables grow independently of each other. So here we go, menu selection. I'm going to do 3 to select another project. This time I'm going to do 99. Let's see if the error is going to crash the program or if the exception handling is going to work. And here I pressed enter. Project with project ID equals 99 does not exist. It says try again. I can try another project. Let's do 98. That also does not exist. And so this is handling the exceptions very well and properly. And that's where we're at for week 10. That was our week 10 update to the project. I'm going to exit the menu now by pressing enter. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great rest of your week.